Barrister.
Happened today in court. Would like you to give us a brief into what happened today, and how do you react to today's proceedings?
I thank you all. It's just victory for democracy and to deepen our laws. The notice of appeal was filed at the lower courts 15 days after the judgment of the Court of Appeal. So the Supreme Court rightly held, because we raised a preliminary objection to the effect that the appeal was statute barred. Supreme Court rightly held that they lack jurisdiction to entertain the appeal.
Louder.
My name is This issue started since 2020, wherein the chairman of the party, the state chapter of PDP in Osun State, was removed. The former chairman was removed upon the allegation of anti-party and fraud. So the council, Edmond Buriomoni, approached the state high court, and he was able to get an interim order upon an ex parte application, restoring him back to office with all his privileges. To the effect that everything done by Adamola when he was chairman was valid and in order, inclusive of election of ward delegates on the 25th of September 2021. Our question was, under the law by section 84 sub 5 B1 and 2, it is an article 50 sub 2 B and E of the PTP Constitution 2017. It is only the National Executive Committee of the party that can conduct ward congress. Adamola ordinarily couldn't have done that. And assuming he was even in office, he couldn't have done that. So, but he was able to get a default judgment that everything that Adamola did was in order. We were surprised. We were taken aback. We appealed that decision. Appeal is taken, judgment is reserved. Then he went before they transferred that judge from Ile-Ife to Ijebu-Jesha. He went before that same court again, bringing some other parties, allegedly delegates, to the effect that they are the ones that can vote in the forthcoming governorship election, having emanated from the the delegate congress conducted by Adamola. We were confused. How could that happen? That's not the law. Then he brought a fresh action before the Federal Court of Osogbo for Dotun Babayemi to the effect that he should be declared as the candidate of the party, having participated in a parallel congress at Wodip Center, not monitored by INEC and not actually conducted by the National Working Committee of the party, contrary to...
Sir, we want to know the ground upon which Supreme Court dismissed this...
Okay. The notice, after what happened was that the Federal Court struck out the suit for not having jurisdiction to entertain same. He appealed to the Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal rightly dismissed the appeal. He appealed to this court. He filed notice of appeal on the 15th day, and we filed a notice of preliminary objection challenging the court's jurisdiction. And the Supreme Court drew his attention to the fact that his appeal was filed out of time. From the primary conducted by the neck of the party. That judgment is still subsisting. They tried to appeal same before the Court of Appeal Abuja. The Court of Appeal Abuja dismissed their appeal on the ground that they had the lacked local standard to even bring the appeal in the first instance, and also that it's an abuse of court process. So we have judgments to the fact Adeleke is the authentic governor-elect and governor of Osun State come 27th of November 2022. Yes, by the grace of God.